I guess it's time to go get dirty.
I guess.
The wind can definitely affect you.
Going this way hits that just right to where it feels like
Stands you up?
stands me up, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. It definitely, it's gonna start out a little tricky here. It's kind of like everything, you know, it's like, okay, I'm warming up, I'm getting the feel of it. It should just kind of continue to dry up a bit, but overall, they're pretty stable lines.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, no, I'm content with how they are. The sun's out, the wind keeps us nice and cool. Yeah. How you liking the bike?
Good?
Feel
Getting
good?
used to it?
Yeah, it's gonna be a bit.
Trying to adjust it a few things, just like my shift levers and down here and
Yep.
up here a little bit.
Yeah, good.
See if I like the changes. So definitely need to mess with my clickers a little bit here soon.
Yeah. It's hard out here as long as your bike kind of is somewhat stable. You know, it's really hard to know what your bike feels like.
Right.
You know, it's more about my best corners. I just go in there and I kind of coast and I just roll that throttle on a little bit. And if I can not move my wrist and just kind of have that steady pressure, holy, if I come out of it one time,
Right.
like that pure corner is gone.
Right.
It's just that little bit of a push, and you know, you're better off going just a little bit slower with the push than trying to get freaky with it. And it's obviously slick, and we're just warming up, so.
Just gotta break in a little bit too.
Yeah, definitely.
All nice and clean.
I know.
We're gonna have fun cleaning these bikes later today.
Right.
Well, if you wash it off right away, they'll be pretty good.